Hey everybody, Tomas here with my daughter Ana Lucia, and we're actually on our way to the ice caves located at the base of Mount Adams. Now the ice caves is a place that my parents used to take me to all the time. And so it got me thinking a lot about my parents and my dad. And my dad makes this fruit salad that has been a staple of family dinners. It's something that you've enjoyed.
Yeah.
I mean, you're always asking for a grandpa's fruit salad. So that's what we're gonna be making for you today. Today we're using Cool Whip, cream cheese, gelatin, a variety of Washington fruits, and a few canned fruits. We would begin with a large tub of Cool Whip. Yep, there it goes.
Oh.
All of it.
Oh, that looks so good.
Then goes the cream cheese.
Boom. We're gonna go ahead and put in some strawberry jello to give it some color.
That looks so good and super pink already.
Now it's time for our apples, followed by our Washington berries.
There we go. Fantastic. Go ahead and add that as much as you'd like.
Then we add our crushed pineapple.
There we go. And then put all those mandarin oranges in there.
So colorful.
Yes. All right, let's go ahead and dish this up. Oh, look at that. Cheers.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
That was like the exact same.
Made it just like Dad did. Mm-hmm. That is great. To learn how to make this recipe and many others, head on over to wagrown.com.